Very wise once again. Got a little bit of a PC emergency. Yesterday, my buddy called me saying he's been having problems with his PC. Well, specifically, he told me, hey, it's not turning on. So I told him to bring it over because I have a plethora of parts from over the years. I do not have a 2011 V3 motherboard, nor do I have a CPU because I did not do 2011 V3. I stuck with my AMD build. I believe it was AM3 Plus for quite a few years. Doing this. I ended up upgrading to Ryzen after that. So, yeah, there's this thing. A little bit of facts about the case. It is my case. I let him borrow it. This thing is a monster. If you want to know, I have an old picture. If I still have it, I'll put it in the video. But you can actually put a fractal Meshify halfway in this case. So, like I said, if it's in the video, you'll see it. No post, doesn't power on. It did power on for a few seconds, but it didn't post, no beeps, no nothing. And it said it did have a BIOS, the BIOS button was flashing. So, yeah, let's get it. So, not bagging on them. However, guys, you need to clean your PCs. Yes, I know this case is heavy, so I don't really condemn them that much. However, dust can kill PCs. However, I'm pretty sure that's not the problem with it. This motherboard is almost 15 years old. He bought this a long time ago, so yeah. And EVGA RTX 3060 Ti, this cooler, I don't know if I have the necessary brackets. I know he doesn't. I might. I do not know yet, though. So, and let's take a look at the CPU in a little bit. So let's take a look at this CPU. It's what I expected it was. It's an i7 6800K. This thing is quite old. Like I said, he did buy this secondhand quite a while ago. So it's been fine. So, well, let's keep on digging. So, a little bit of an update. I guess this is day 2 of figuring out what's going on. I believe that his motherboard is fried. However, that's not the main cause of said death. I believe it's that thing. Sorry for the mess. There's a lot of dust around here, and I kind of got a headache last night. I am quite allergic to dust. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dust. It's a little bit of a mess. I'm testing motherboards. I'm testing mine. I'm testing one of my other buddies that we got the computer from. So the only thing that's going in here is my other buddy's CPU. Me and him used to have the exact same build besides graphics cards. I had an NVIDIA, he had an AMD. Now he's got a 6800 XT. And so, yeah. So a little bit of an update right there. We're actually going to be changing cases. It's going to be an old NZXT case. I do not like them. I hate their cases, but that's just me. So, yeah, stay tuned. So as you can see, this thing actually did pretty decent. A lot better than the... I'm so redoing that. So this is mine. This is from my server / test bench. This is pretty much 100% covered. I've been doing this quite a long time before it even became a fad to, spread your thermal paste. I've been doing this for quite a while, so yeah. Very wise from the future. Very wise from the past kind of screwed up this portion of the video quite a few times, so I'm going to redo it. First off, thermal grease. Kind of an interesting container, right? Well, I've been using this for a long time. Nothing wrong with it. I know it's not going to focus. If it does, I'll be surprised. It's a Janelle brand. It's Thermal Grease G107. Works very well. I'm gonna try to take this out. Well, maybe not. Without getting thermal grease on me. That's what it looks like. That's about 2 years old now. Now, you see, I dropped it. So bear with us from the future, it's still a screw up. However, whatever. Finally, computer done. That's pretty freaking good. However, gonna leave him a little present. He doesn't really like this case, so I'm gonna do something special. I did put a little tiny card in there, right about there, if you can see it. And that is this. What is it? It's a power switch. It's the Doomsday switch to turn on his computer. It's kind of ironic. This is his third PC. I'm on my third, but mine don't ever break.